Welcome back. Time is 6:44, and all week here on Way 31 Morning News, we're connecting North Alabama community groups with people who can help them recover from the pinch of the pandemic.
And this morning we are spotlighting the National Children's Advocacy Center. As Director of Development Cynthia Parker joining us live via Zoom right now. Good morning, Cynthia.
Good morning. How are y'all doing?
Very good, and you as well, we hope. First question I want to ask you, if you don't mind, can you give us an idea, just briefly, what exactly does the National Children's Advocacy Center do?
Well, the National Children's Advocacy Center was the birthplace of the Children's Advocacy Center movement. However, we are a local nonprofit organization that takes care of kids in our community, Huntsville, Madison, and Madison County, that have been affected by sexual abuse, physical abuse, or exposure to extreme trauma. As well, we provide a lot of prevention programs for families and a variety of different groups.
Well, certainly some important work you do there. And the center just recently, I understand, canceled a big fundraiser that was supposed to happen this month. So how will that affect the people the center actually serves?
Well, actually, we didn't cancel the event. We transitioned it to a non-event. So just out of respect for the situation all around us with our kids not being able to be vaccinated and just not feeling like it was the right time to do this, we are postponing the event. However, the centerpiece of the Superheroes Shindig, well, there were two centerpieces actually. So we recognized at the event in the past, we recognized local community superheroes as well as members of our own multidisciplinary team, folks that are on the front lines providing care for kids. And so we're going to continue to do that superhero recognition. So we encourage everybody to go to our website, nominate a superhero, and then follow us to participate in recognizing those heroes in our community. And also another big important part of that event that we won't have is we're going to have a therapy hours auction. So all of our kids that we provide services for receive mental health therapy to help them recover from their trauma. And those therapy hours cost about $150 a piece. No child or family ever pays a dime when they come to the NCAC for services. And so this is to provide that support for children that might not otherwise have it. So we are inviting and encouraging folks in the community to buy at least one therapy hour for a child, because all during the pandemic, while the community has been shut down, we have continued to provide care for those children in our community that need that help most.
Well, Cynthia, I have one more question. It's kind of a two-pronged question, if you don't mind. But first of all, just sum it up for us. What are your needs right now, and how can these big-hearted folks across North Alabama actually help the National Children's Advocacy Center?
Well, one of the most important ways that people can help us is to recognize that this is an issue in our community, to say a prayer for these kids and these heroes that are working with these kids, and to support the children with a therapy hour. It's $150, and that's something that is easily done for a lot of kids. So that's one way that people can help out the kids.
Some great information this morning. Such great work you and the center does, Cynthia. We thank you so much for joining us on this Monday morning. And to learn more about the National Children's Advocacy Center and how you can actually help it, visit our website, waytv.com.